Are you trying to register your company, business, or NGO on Rev360, but your OTP is not dropping? Before you assume the portal is not working, here are some important things you need to check. One major reason is that Rev360 sends OTP to the email address linked to your CAC registration record, not just any email you are checking. Another reason could be that you or the person is checking the wrong inbox. Always make sure you check every space you have on your email, either your spam, the junks, your promotion, and all other folders in that particular email. Some business also experience delay due to network issues, server traffic, or requesting OTP too many times within a short period of time. Before requesting another OTP, confirm the email connected to your registration and make sure you still have access to that particular email. In the next few minutes, I will tell you the best way to confirm that email that Rev360 is sending your OTP to. But before then, let me say this: if you keep requesting for OTP and the system is sending it frequently, it will get to a stage that the system will lock up and you won't receive any OTP again. So when you get to that particular stage, you will need to wait for 2 days or even more before the main email can get another set of OTP, which you can now use to start your fresh registration. You should know that understanding where your OTP will be sent before you start your registration can save you from unnecessary stress and headache. With that being said, if you have watched this video to this extent and you are yet to like, smash that thumbs up to like the video so as to tell YouTube that you are gaining value from this channel. Also subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free, and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop another educative video like this. As I promised earlier that I will be telling you the exact place that your OTP is going to. Let me show you now. All the OTP that the new portal known as Rev360 is sending is going to that particular email that is in your CAC status report. Yes, you heard me right. So therefore, the best thing you need to do first, if you want to register any business, company, or NGO on the new Rev360 portal, for you to save yourself the stress and time wasting, is for you to check out the status report of that particular registration and identify the exact email that is in the status report, because that is where the Rev360 portal is sending your OTP to. So with this little point of mine, I believe you had gained value and know what you need to do first before you register that next business on Rev360. Welcome once again. I am Deborah Rafiu, the owner and the brain behind Sholadrem 247. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.